Hello everyone, this is one mechanical engineer and it's been really long time since I made any video, and from today I am going to teach you oil hydraulics and pneumatic system. In this video I will give you little introduction about oil hydraulics and pneumatic system, where hydraulic system is used and where pneumatic system is used, and what is the exact difference between hydraulic system and pneumatic system. So without wasting time, let's get started. In this video I want to discuss about fluid power system, advantages and application of fluid power system, and difference between hydraulic system and pneumatic system. So first I will start with fluid power system. So fluid power system is related to two things. First one is hydraulic and second one is pneumatic. And pneumatic system uses oil pressure, and hydraulic system, this is hydraulic system. Hydraulic system uses oil and pneumatic system uses air pressure. It uses oil as a working medium and it uses air as a working medium. So where we can use hydraulic system and where we can use pneumatic system, this is related to fluid power system. And first I will tell you where we can use hydraulic system. We can use hydraulic system. My pen is not working properly. It can be used where more force is required and less speed. It can provide more force, but it cannot provide that much speed as compared to pneumatic system. And we can use pneumatic system where we require more speed and less force. And I would like to tell you reason why we can get more force in hydraulic system. Because we can get more force in hydraulic system because we can use here oil as a working medium, and viscosity of oil is more. And we use air as a working medium in pneumatic system, and viscosity of this air is very less. So that's why we can get more speed but less force. And in hydraulic system we can get more force and less speed. And I have never told you what is exactly viscosity. What exactly viscosity is. So you might not know what exactly viscosity is. So I want to tell you what exactly viscosity is in simple words. Viscosity is, I want to draw here something. Force offered by this layer or this layer to another layer by fluid, that is called a viscosity. So I think you can understand what exactly viscosity is, and if you don't understand then tell me in the comment section. I will make another video about viscosity. And I am planning to make videos about fluid mechanics. I am going to tell you everything in that videos, but I just wanted to tell you in simple words, so I have just explained here. And what are the use and advantages of hydraulic system and pneumatic system? First of all, we can use in automatic systems. I shouldn't have told you about this right now because you might not know what exactly hydraulic system is, so how we can use it in automatic system. So I will talk about this later. So normally in mechanical system we use pinions, gears, pulleys, lots of things, and all of these things makes noise, and that is not something which we like. And in hydraulic and pneumatic system it makes very less noise. This is advantage of hydraulic and pneumatic system. This is actually hydraulic and pneumatic system comes under fluid power system, so I should have told you this is advantage of fluid power system. And it is very simple in design, so maintenance is very easy to handle. And there are some sites such as mining, you can't even breathe in these places, workers can't even breathe, and this is very hazardous for health. Okay, so we can't use humans everywhere, so we can use hydraulic and pneumatic system, automatic system there, so we don't need to put there humans. So these are some uses and applications. I will tell you about this in my next upcoming videos. Now I want to tell you some basic difference between hydraulic system and pneumatic system. So what is difference? First one is hydraulic and pneumatic. My handwriting is very bad, so you have to take this. So we use oil as a working medium in hydraulic system, and we use air as a working medium in pneumatic system. Oil has more viscosity, air has less viscosity. So more viscosity can provide more force and less speed, and it has less viscosity which can provide less force and more speed. More speed is advantage of pneumatic system, but we can get more force because oil cannot be compressed even if at high pressure, so we can get more force. And in this pneumatic system, as far as I know, we cannot get more than 1 ton of force. And we use oil as a working medium in hydraulic system, so place where we use hydraulic system it get dirty because oil get leaked up, and in pneumatic system it always stay clean because even if air get leaked up, it is not going to make place dirty. And there is one another thing about pneumatic system which I would like to tell you. Even at higher temperature, around 125 ounce Celsius temperature surrounding, you can take it 125 ounce Celsius, you can use this pneumatic system at this much temperature. And in hydraulic system, at high temperature, oil can get fired. So I don't prefer hydraulic system at place where this much temperature is going. So this is one disadvantage of hydraulic system. There are lots of other things which I want to tell you about hydraulic system and pneumatic system, and I am going to tell you everything in my next videos. This is all I wanted to tell you today in this video. So God bless you. This is it for today.